Okay, so we're doing lesson 14.3. And this first problem here is in the triangle, square, trapezoid example on the previous page, what will be the 48th shape, the 50th shape? Explain. So we're going to be using this here, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to divide. So we're going to figure out how many total shapes there are that they're telling us there are. Well, there's going to be 48 shapes, okay? So we're going to write 48, just like that. All right. How many groups are in the pattern? Or excuse me, how many shapes are in the pattern groups? We've got triangle, square, trapezoid, and then we restart. Triangle, square, trapezoid. So how many are in one group? The answer would be 3. There's a triangle, a square, a trapezoid. Triangle, square, trapezoid. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we're going to divide 48, because it tells us 48, divided by 3. 3 goes into 4 one time. 10 times 3 is 30. 48 minus 30 is 18. 3 goes into 18 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. So we have no remainders. Okay, we have 16 times that it repeats. All right, what would be the 48th shape? So with it repeating an even amount of 16 times, there's nothing left over. So what we're going to do is we're going to say triangle, square, trapezoid 16 times. So that would be 1 time. Triangle, square, trapezoid 2. Triangle, square, trapezoid 3. Triangle, square, trapezoid 4. All the way to 16. So let's pretend we're on 15 now. Triangle, square, trapezoid 15. Triangle, square, trapezoid 16. So the question is, what will be the 48th shape? So it will be the last shape whenever you get to 16 groups. So remember, triangle, square, trapezoid 15. Triangle, square, trapezoid 16. What was the last shape that I said before we got to 16? It was trapezoid. So I'm going to write 48th equals trapezoid. And I know you can't see it right now, but I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to say 48th equals trapezoid. Well, now we don't even need to divide. We can just count because the next shape is 50. So, or excuse me, the next shape that we're going to figure out is the 50th shape. So if the 48th shape is trapezoid, the 49th shape will be triangle, and then the 50th shape will be square. So right here, we don't even need to divide. We're just going to say 50th equals square. Okay, and that is how you're going to write your answer in the blank for me. 40th equals trapezoid, 50th equals square. Now here, what is the 20th shape? The rule is triangle, circle, circle. So it tells us right here how many we have in each group. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, remember it's 20 total. So we're going to say 20 divided by how many is in one group, which is 3. How many times does 3 go into 20? 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. So the answer is 6 with a remainder of 2. All right. So if it's an even number of 6, all right, you're going to end with the last shape. So it would be a circle. Okay. However, you've got 2 left over. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to say, here's the 6th shape, because you would say triangle, circle, circle, 1. Triangle, circle, circle, 2. Triangle, circle, circle, 3. Triangle, circle, circle, 4. Triangle, circle, circle, 5. Triangle, circle, circle, 6. So we know that this 6 here would be a circle, but we've got 2 more to go. All right, so then we're just going to go triangle, circle, because that's what the 2 remainder stands for. So we're going to go triangle, circle. We're not going to go all the way through, okay? But the answer is circle. So the 20th shape is a circle, okay? Number 3, write the next 3 numbers. The rule is 9, 2, 7, 6. So we've got 9, 2, 7, 6. That is one group. 9, 2, 7, 6, another group. So then we would say 9, 2, 7. It didn't ask us for the 4th number, and that's fine. So we would just write what they're asking for. All right. Actually, we're on to independent practice now. Draw or write the next 3 items to continue each repeating pattern. Okay. This is, obviously you cannot draw. If it's asking you to draw, you cannot draw on your discussion board on Schoology. So I don't mind if you just put the word. Obviously, we're gonna have to compromise, okay? The rule is square, triangle, square. So we've got square, triangle, square. Square, triangle, square. Square, triangle, okay? So you're gonna write out the words square, square, triangle. That's what fills in the blank. Those are the words you're gonna write out, okay? You are not able to draw shapes. The rule is up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right. So you cannot draw these either. You have to write it out. So the ones you're filling in the blank, you don't have to write these. You're just going to put number 5 and you're going to say down, left, right will be the answer. 6, the rule is 1, 1, 2. Okay, we've got 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So your answer would be 1, 1, 2. This rule is 5, 7, 4, 8. 5, 7, 4, 8. 5, 7, 4, 8. 5, 7, 4, 8, 5. Okay, you just continue the pattern. Did not ask for the 4th digit. That's fine. Determine the given shape or number in each repeating pattern. Okay, this same rule is going to be applied from before, or is the rule that's going to be applied that was before. The rule is tree, apple, apple. What is the 19th shape? So we've got tree, apple, apple. There's 3 shapes, okay? And it's asking for the 19th shape. So we're gonna say 19 divided by 3, okay? So 3 shapes in each group, and there's 19. So that's where that comes from. How many times does 3 go into 19? Once again, 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. So we know that there's 6 with a remainder of 1. So let's go ahead and figure out what 6 would be. Tree, apple, apple, 1. Tree, apple, apple, 2. Tree, apple, apple, 3. Tree, apple, apple, 4. Tree, apple, apple, 5. Tree, apple, apple, 6. Okay, but we have the remainder. We got to go one more. So we had tree, apple, apple, 6, tree. Just one more. So what is the 19th shape? Hopefully you got the same answer. The 19th shape is a tree. Okay, the rule is 1, 2. What is the 42nd number? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, we can still do this with numbers. So how many numbers do you see? There are 2 in each group. So you're going to say 42 divided by 2 equals, 2 goes into 4 2 times. Oops, you don't even see this, sorry. 2 goes into 4 2 times. It's 2. It's 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So the answer is 21. There's no remainder. Therefore, if there's no remainder, it's always going to be the last shape or number in the group. So what is the 42nd number? it's 2. All right, hopefully that helped y'all, and you will do problem solving on your own.